4. So we're going to use the following formulas. The integral of e to the x dx equals e to the x plus c. The integral of e to the ax plus b dx equals 1 over a e to the ax plus b. The integral of 1 over x dx is natural logarithm of x plus c. And the integral of 1 over ax plus b dx equals 1 over a times the natural logarithm of ax plus b. So let's try to look at the following example. Example number 1 is the integral of e to the 4x dx. So this one follows the second formula because the exponent or the power is actually a linear function, or in the highest power of x is 1. So by following that, your a is 4. By following that, you have 1 over 4 e to the ax plus b, or e to the 4x, and then just add plus c. So yeah, that's very simple. So that's now our final answer. Next, for this one, you can put first that 4 outside, and you have your e raised to 1 minus 2x dx, and then use the formula. You cover the 4 first. So here your a is negative 2. You need to include the negative 2. So therefore it's 1 over negative 2 e raised to 1 minus 2x, and then you have times 4 in front. So you just multiply this by times 4. So therefore this one, 4 times 1 is 4 divided by negative 2 is negative 2. So negative 2 e raised to 1 minus 2x, and then just add the arbitrary constant c. Next example. So here you have two terms, and you need to take the integral of each term one by one. So again, you need to take the integral of each term one by one, integral of 1 dx plus integral of e to the negative 2x dx. Alright? And then, once you integrate, you don't need to write this integral. So the integral of 1 is x. The integral of e to the negative 2x by using formula number 2 will be minus 1 over negative 2. Sorry, this is going to be plus 1 over negative 2 e raised to negative 2x. So that is now the final answer. Just need to add c. Let's try to look at example number 4. So example number 4, you have three terms, the first, second, and the third. So what are you going to do is to take the integral of each term. So let's do it step by step. So I'm going to take the integral of x squared dx minus the integral of 1 dx minus, I'm going to put the 4. Alright, I'm going to put the 4 outside the integral symbol. Then this one becomes e raised to negative of 3x minus 1 dx. Alright? If you don't understand how come this expression becomes like this, you may pause the video for a while and try to analyze. Right? So again, this is a positive exponent here. You put it on top. So take the negative of that power. Then the 4, you just put it outside the integral symbol. Now we are ready to take the integral. The integral of x squared is x cubed over 3. Again, you don't need to write that integral symbol again because you've completed the integration. Minus your x minus 4. Then you cover that first and integrate this. So how will you integrate this portion here? The a is negative 3. Okay, so times 1 over negative 3. Alright? Then e raised to negative 3x minus 1 plus your c. So that is now the final answer. We just need to write it a little bit neatly. So this is going to be x cubed over 3 minus x. Negative 4 divided by negative 3 is plus 4 over 3 e to the negative of 3x minus 1 plus c. Right? So that's the final answer for number 4. For number 5, the formula that we're going to use is this formula number 4. This one here. So let me just fold my paper. So let me fold this one. So for number 5, we need to use this formula, and our a is 3. It says 1 over a. So meaning the integral of this is 1 over a. Your a is 3. Natural logarithm of the 3x plus 1. Alright? But wait, there's 4 here. So meaning you just multiply this by 4 times 1. So the answer now is 4 over 3 natural logarithm of 3x plus 1, and that is now the final answer. Let's proceed to number 6. So for number 6, again, let's try to look at our formula. It says there 1 over 4x. So basically it follows this formula number 4. So 1 over 4x, we need to take the integral of each term. So I can put this 4 outside. Okay, so I can have it like 1 over 4 integral of 1 over x dx. Then I can put these 2 outside as well of my bracket, so I don't get confused. So that's 1 over 5x minus 1 dx. And then this 3, I can put it outside also, plus 3, the integral of e to this e raised to the 4x becomes e raised to the negative 4x, because this is at the bottom. I'm putting it on top, so this will be negative. Then I have there my dx. So this is now equal to just copy that 1 over 4, and then the integral of 1 over x is ln x, so just put the natural logarithm of x, plus 2, you copy that 2, times, so here you use this formula number 4, this one here. Your a is 5, so that's going to be 1 over 5 times the natural logarithm of 5x minus 1 plus 3. Then here you use formula number 2, this one here. Your a is negative 4, so times 1 over negative 4 e raised to negative 4x. Then let's just simplify our answer. So the final answer now is 1 over 4 ln x plus 2 over 5 natural logarithm of 5x minus 1 minus 3 over 4 e to the negative 4x. So that is now our final answer. So this video becomes too long now. It's about 9 minutes. So I will just do one more question, and I'll do the question number 8. So suppose we have this question, e raised to the 3x plus 1. Again, if there is only one, if there is only one term at the bottom, so you actually need to divide each term by the bottom term, plus 1 over e raised to the 3x, and you have there the integral with respect to your x. So e to the 3x divided by e to the 3x is 1, so that becomes 1 dx. Sorry, there's a dx here. Alright, and then this one here plus e, you put it on top, negative 3x dx. Then I'll put the integral like that. Right? So now we are ready to take the integral, that is x. minus 1 over 3, I mean, e to the negative 3x plus c. And there you go. Thank you very much. You do know the exercises for lesson number 4.